so today I'm going to show you our lemongrass hack, I guess. It's totally time for me to change my nail polish. So just take a little cotton round or cotton ball or however you choose to get your nail polish off. Put a drop of lemongrass on there. And then you can see it's coming off. Just rub on it until it comes off. Takes a little bit more effort than the acetone nail polish remover, but you're nourishing your nails and getting your nail polish off, which is a really tacky job right now because I'm trying to hurry. But if you spend a couple extra seconds on it, like the seconds that I don't have, then it looks a lot better. Voila. And I'm not going to sit here and do every single one of them on the video because my intentions are to keep these videos short and sweet. So peace out. See y'all later.